Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can promote Etsy shop on Pinterest. So here you can see an example account that is promoting his shop on Pinterest. But here you can see when you click on any link, here you can see an external link. You click on that, it will land onto the his website, and from here you can buy. So that person is promoting planners on his personal website, not using Etsy. But you need to create your account like this and post your planners like this, and you need to add your Etsy shop link. So let me show you how you can do that. You simply need to go onto your profile, click on create and click on create pin. Here you need to select your planner or journal. So for example, I'm going to add a random video. Okay, here you can add title, description and link, and here you need to add the link to your Etsy shop and you need to publish. And after that you can get a traffic from Pinterest that go onto your Etsy shop, and you can get sales. So this is the process by which you can promote Etsy shop on Pinterest. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.